Oh, we need to start. Oh, welcome. This is Nothing But Kitchen. And yep, it's your girl, Thang. And here is my assistant, Mr. Joe. All right, today we're going to do a pizza. Pizza. And along with that, I'm going to do some little cookies in there. And also, I'm going to do a small, quick, fast breakdown of all the pieces that you get with this FABERWARE air fryer toaster oven. So that way, it'll make your final decision. Should I get it? Should I not? Or should I just let it sit in the stores? Figure out something else. It's up to you. But here we go. All right, check it out. This little piece right here, see this? This goes at the very bottom, underneath the heating elements of the air fryer. And supposed to be called a drip pan, but come on, do you see this? Really? Because I know if I got some chicken and the juice is running, it's still gonna run on down, and I'm still have to clean. So I don't consider this a drip pan, but hey, to each and own of their opinion. But that's my opinion. It's not a drip pan. It's not a drip pan. But I leave it up under just in case. Goes down here at the very bottom, down there. And then of course you have your rack. Looks like an oven rack. Use that, which I'm gonna use this for the pizza. This one, of course, I'm gonna use this for the cookies. So it's basically like your nice little baking rack. And last but not least, you have this one, which is French fries, chicken nuggets, you know. Hey, it's all good, whatever you decide. But your net. All right, so let's get started on putting this pizza in. Here's a view of the inside. This is the pizza I'm using. And it's actually, these pizzas are actually kind of made at the grocery store, and then they freeze them, then you can like grab one. So this is one I like to use because it's more close to feeling like I probably kind of made it at home and not those, you know, in the box, in the freezer section pizzas. But we're going to see how good this is. And also, we're going to test drive that little drip pan, because that means whatever cheese falls off of here, hey, it better fall on the drip pan, because I don't need a whole lot of cleaning. But here we are.
Who's going to win? So the first one is going to be Black Widow.
And I know some of y'all probably saying, oh, she putting that upside down. Well, I like it to where it's kind of like a bowl type. So that's why I do it upside down, but you can do it the other way around. Just flip it however you want to do it. But this way, I just feel like it keeps it where my food is not too close to the top heating elements. You know, so that's why I do it like that. Close it. Start. Ooh, we not doing bake. 400.
Mommy?
And we're gonna do it at 15. We're gonna do it at 15 minutes. And now this pizza is not frozen because I let it sit out for a while, so it's not frozen. It's actually room temperature. So if I have to stop it, I will, because I don't want my crust burnt. And we throwing it up. And there she goes. Can you see? See?
So you know what to do. Watch Mommy's other cooking videos right here, up here, and right over here. And the last one is right here. So you know what to do. Smash the like button. Boom. Smash the like button. Click the bell. Turn on the notifications. And subscribe. Do it right now until I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're ready. You describe, so you are good. You're a good cooker. Now you're a chef. So it's about to take. Oh, I can't see.
All right. At the same time, after I finish this pizza, I figured I'm gonna go ahead and bake some cookies.
Yummy.
I did not make these cookies by hand or scratch. I am using Nestle Toll House. I got these free when the grocery store was giving them away. So I figured I'm gonna try them out in this air fryer. So as soon as the pizza's done, I'm sticking them in there and we'll see what we get.
So the pizza's gonna like take a while, so we'll see in a minute.
All right, check it out. Ooh, I don't want to make it fall. All right, check it out. That is the pizza. I'm pretty picky on my crust, so I didn't want it to get too brown, but I am loving it. So next I'm gonna put the cookies in, and I'll show you those after I'm done. Just the FYI, yes, it is just an all cheese pizza. You'll see that. So it turned out pretty good. That's amazing. And then my crust, see the bottom. It's pretty crispy. Oh my God. I love when the store makes their own pizzas. It's so amazing. Oh.
We put it right here so they just won't eat them.
And here's my cookies. They're basically turtle cookies. I forgot what I got. But they were like turtle with caramel and everything and nuts and all that stuff. So here's the cookies. Okay, those cookies cooled off a little bit. So here is a close-up shot of the cookies. See the back? Did not burn up or anything. They are actually soft. See that? Look at that. So they're awesome. You can actually cook them inside the... See, mine has caramel in it, so that's what that is. That's not dough. Just so you'll know. I let those cookies cool for a minute because they were getting pretty hot on my hands. But there you have it. Once again, that FABERWARE air fryer toaster oven did the job. Feed the family real quick and simple. Didn't take long at all. Again, I will leave all the details in the description box. Minutes, degrees, everything of what I did. And just so you know, I'm not a chef, but I do cook and eat.
Bye. I want to press it.